learn Turkish words and phrases and Turkish for beginners. How to say open the door in Turkish. Open the door. Kapıyı aç. 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 Now you try. Open the door. Kapıyı aç. Open the door. Kapıyı aç.